my dogs were carrying on like crazy. So I started looking around and I saw this guy on my back step. And then a few minutes later, he comes around to the side front door. There wasn't much food on that plate, so he came a-looking. He was cute, but I don't like seeing him this time of day. It was about 6 o'clock at night. Haven't seen him since, so I hope he's okay.
Everything looks very overgrown. Most things have just grown in. There are definitely weeds in here, and I am slowly working on that. The zinnias from Egypt are blooming fantastic. I'm enjoying those. I have not cut them. I've just been enjoying them in the garden. Perhaps later in the season, I'll cut a few. Really do enjoy the garden this time of year when things are all sort of growing up tall. This is apple mint, and I could have cut it. I just enjoy the flowers, and it brings a lot of pollinators. So we let it kind of grow out. I have so many mints, there's no way I can use all the mint that I grow. So it's purely decorative in some cases.
I originally had a large acorn squash plant here in this bed. It's now finished. So I've been moving some of my peppers from other areas that were not doing as well where they were. So I just dug this little guy up. He's just too small. He's not getting enough light. So I'm going to plant him here in this corner with the other peppers so he gets more light. And hopefully he'll then be able to produce some fruit. So this is where some of the celery was that I finished. And I don't want to put anything big in here. So peppers are a really good choice. So just mixing it up a little bit. And I'm just holding it. And just press it in there real nice and tight. Plenty weeds. Okay, here we go. I'll probably do this afternoon. And again tonight. And tomorrow morning. So it's supposed to rain on Tuesday. So at least until it rains again, I'll keep giving this really nice, good drinks. I'm going to go do the other side since I put those in just a couple days ago. These guys are doing okay. They seem to have, even though they were much bigger plants when I moved them, just keeping them very wet seems to have done the trick.
This is a native sunflower that I bought at a Master Gardener's plant sale a few years ago. I don't think I understood how big it was going to get. And it reseeds itself plentifully. This is my cantaloupe patch. I haven't grown cantaloupes in such a long time. Look what we got. We got cantaloupes. I haven't told my mom. Those are her absolute favorites. And I'm just hoping that either the groundhog or the raccoon or turkeys don't find them before they're ready, but this is great. It'll be a really nice surprise for Mom. Look, I love the little baby one.
A few more snapshots of the garden from today. It certainly has grown in. I see so many weeds that I should be pulling, but I'm going to just sit and relax and look at all the hard work and enjoy even the weeds. Hope you'll enjoy these few pictures.